In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change aspect ratio in Sora 2 2025. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Sora and press enter. You're looking for the official Sora website in the results. Click through to open it. This takes you to Sora's main interface where you can create content from a text prompt. Once you're in Sora, look for the prompt box, the area where you'll type what you want Sora to generate. On or near that prompt box, you'll see a settings icon. Click the settings icon to open the controls for your generation. This is where you'll adjust the aspect ratio, which Sora refers to as orientation. Aspect ratio determines the overall shape of your final output, and it's a key decision to make before you generate. Choose the orientation that best fits your final destination. Landscape is ideal for widescreen displays like YouTube and most desktop monitors. Portrait works well for phone-first formats such as vertical stories and short-form videos. Square is a safe, versatile choice for many social feeds where you want a balanced frame. If you're unsure, think about where you'll publish. A quick rule of thumb: landscape for screens, portrait for phones, square for feeds. Selecting this now ensures Sora composes the scene correctly, framing your subject with the right amount of space. With the orientation set, it's time to write your prompt. Click inside the prompt box and describe what you want to see. For example, you could type, "A man surfing on lava." As a tip, the more specific you are, the more likely you'll get exactly what you're imagining. You can add details like mood, lighting, style, or motion, such as cinematic lighting, wide shot, or slow motion. You don't need to repeat the aspect ratio in your text because you already chose the orientation in settings, but adding composition hints like close-up or wide angle can help Sora frame your subject within that shape. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Sora will process your request and start generating based on your selected orientation. Give it a moment to render. If the framing isn't quite right, you can refine your prompt with clearer subject placement or scale cues, then submit again using the same orientation. This small iteration often makes a big difference in how the content fills the frame. That's it. You've changed the aspect ratio in Sora 2 2025, set your orientation with intention, and generated content that's properly framed for where it's going.